It's like that.
What happened?
It's shorter.
But I thought you measured it.
Yes, I measured.
What happened?
I don't know, it's my measurements, it's weird.
So we bought this anti-collision strip. So we're gonna try putting this on our stairs. There's how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stuff, they have a guide, so just have to follow. Just can't understand because it's in Chinese. Okay, so here, so what I understand, you have to clean the surface, then measure for sure. You have to measure the area or the width, and then you have to put the double-sided tape on the 2 sides. And if you need to cut, especially on the corner, so you need to make this angle cutting. And I think that's it. It's so simple. It's just that we have difficulty at first because it is our first time to put this, and it has 5 meters all in one package. There's already one freebie double-sided tape. So this one is kind of squishy and soft, so it's really for anti-collision. In case you bump your head in your stair, then you won't get hurt because of this one. So this is really useful, especially when you have kids at home. We did trial and error. And it's not really perfect, guys, so you really have to measure well. Do the measuring first before cutting. So when you're done measuring the width of the stair, you have to measure it. Make sure that this, what do you call this? The collision.
Yes, bumper, something like that.
The collision bumper is straight. And make a little allowance in case. Just maybe 1 centimeter allowance. Because sometimes it shrinks, so it can't know. So better if you have a little more than cutting it short. Use a scissor or a cutter to cut, but a scissor will do. Now let's put the double-sided tape. Make sure that the surface is really clean, and don't forget also to put on the other side. So time to peel off. It's really sticky, very sticky. Yeah, and here. So this is where I put the other side of the tape. So that one. Put this really slow and make sure that when you stick it, it's really final, because as you can see, it's so hard to achieve straight edge like that, so I really have to adjust. And make sure that you press well, really press in the middle of the strip. So just like that. We made an extra allowance in case. We made two stairs right now, so later we're gonna continue. How's the feeling? How's the feeling?
Not really.
It's kinda soft.
Let's go.
Okay, so that's how it looks like. We're almost done. Almost done. So voila, here's the finished output. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be notified every time we upload a new video. See you soon. Bye.